hanya sekone ya bulan kami mana bulan kami melalui era hetir kura bakala taita klote situ mana awal ni bakala marriage no bakala tap roda agiklo no tata pro agiklo mana awal ni mira sopolo puenera pa kriti putir panelo no the Paul writing for the Christian no Christian no kita nak kata lah pastinya lah pengen marriage no marriage kita ni mita lah begitu malah perprotasi betul no dah memang betul okay ulah ni tak pro betul sih marriage no anak kalau dalam marriage kita ni mita lah protasi lah mana protasi lagi keluar no now for the matter you wrote about no when ni bakal taita keluar begitu malah matter kita no ta akimu puala no yekwe no yekwe ni suma yekwe ni su akiwai tebra no is this good for a man not to marry no when ni pakanyo pokwa ti ba ni teklo begitu mala a top wa no top wa tetan kula tebra din no marriage ni pa top wa no now pani begitu mala prosa no teklo prosa ba begitu ma but since there is so much immorality no begitu mana le pukui ni no begitu ma tata total luwa no begitu mana le pukui tata total luwa over no over kultura ni each man should have his own wife no begitu ma pakanyo pokwa ko ada ni krelo aur amma tera na each man no begitu ma pakanyo ko ada ni so no akro uwara do begitu ma amma kuade da no sala no amma kuade and each woman her own husband no da pamushi kone akro uwara do awa no ko ra din ni no the husband should no begitu ma la fulfill his no material duty to his wife no awani bakala pokwa no bakala wa agi klom no awani bakala duty sidane no ba kwa twe ma no begitu ma no le amara wen no ba kwa twe ma no ero tebe no and lies like the wife to no her husband no when ma no because na ma no like wife sidane mera uro takuti no when amane ba uro takuti no le our apoku no our apoku her husband no our no Penny Devra the no Penny the wife's body does not belong to her alone but also to her husband no when amani our amani no aware are not cool ni bida the baka do or tedaka no baka sikoro wa no pomu pokwati pa no amani no anak ko ne baka sikoro wa ero tewe din mo no paini no in the same way no clear bu kholo dera no clear bu kholo paini ero tebra le no the husband's body does not belong to him alone no but also his wife no paini no begitu mana begitu ma awasi ko ne no begitu ma anak ko ni no the bakate orgava no bakasi kor awa amma no begitu mana no wife ne amma no dan ko ta no pain it do not deprive each other no begitu mala pain no except by mature consent and for a time no begitu mala mature ne no kiko yakho no Kikoya ko no begitu do not deprive nasidane tukui hinikui no kikoya ko no begitu mala away ni kaba tuluwe no kaba tuluwe kikoya ko no begitu mala no kaba olo da no begitu mala concern and for a time no let us sector when kikoya ko amami awamigi kaba all dam no pita no when kikoya ko no so that you may devote yourself to prayer no let us go to ba hilo no begitu mala ba hilo no la ba ka la pagiter ma la pakia la no pakia la no la aweti no ka sala we ba hilo taro pagiter ma la no aweti ba ki ba tpani ta la awani kwilo ma pagiter no them come together again so that Satan will not tempt you because of your lack of self-control no let that no kona aware the pani no ka ko odi the thought the blood of ulane mukoli ne di to do pagite no ma no mukoli di tamati tawara aware the no aware the ba controller aware the no sasa ma no self control no aware the ka ba controller ka sasa ne lo no I say this as and the consistent now pagite ma yete ta khai ne me ba khala ta hi lo ta la ami to ma no ta hi lo consistent ta mi to not a command no not an as a command no pagite ma ta mi le ta hi lo ta tu ta so ba no pagite ma command se da ne hi lo ta ka lu me ba no I wish no that's all man whereas as I am now pagite na ni yeah pagite na wish da ne yeah it all aware the pokwa ko ade ne da whereas I am no aware the pa ne ko uro ata umunda we but each man has his own gift from God no pokwa the pa ne pagite na ma ta ga ba pokwa da ba da ne pagite na pagite na ma ta hi le aware the ko no aware the no ka sara ba ko kaya koplu le ka sa ywa mo no te ra ne one has this gift no aware me that ta hit me no ta hit me no there no another has this no when agatami siko uwe siko no known to the and marries and the wondered I say no aware ni agatami ne metala aware at the protha ba no aware bigitana na atata plot lo ba no aware kera we to sidane mukame mo no mukame wo lo aware tera no I say the aware tera it is good for them not to stay bigitama no to stay and marry apati pha ne da agi chlo aware ti krelo awara di tu lo the protha ba mo no kera de di awara di tu lo kwa mukame su krelo lo ba we lo no aware krelo shit ko lo tera no then a put on it, but as I am now away sick or ya sick or no, ya dear sick or no. But if they cannot control themselves, but something like a what they may personal or akasata no, personal meet the nibani no, or personal or that meet the nibani no, and akasata meet the nibani, they should marry no, away the panic creator, away the gentleman, a prosagador blood no, marriage for. Better to marry than to burn with passion. Pagiter ma away ne metala agriculture away the pane no pagiter ma la burn no suke esa no lemu the la anyonu no tatagate tamata the passion kwane no away ne away the park a top one no meet top power kakiro tak or tak hele pagiter ma no hipu ko pumigi takleme ke pana hubala ta masu bakala pamu sa ni ta awa uro awa no amma ben me no me pa ne amma me pamu ne awa kro over din no me to over ro takiro ta thesis ko ta din tu no tera la takota ke tu tu uri awa ni no ta ma sa din no to the marriage I give the command no pane la su pala top what it power no ye hilota malu no not I to me java but the Lord no pagitama away ne meta la kasayo kasama no a wife must not separate from her husband no away ne tira la amani te krele pa lo choche da awa no pagitama separate from her husband no pagitama pa dong wa kia ne pa lo soche or the fever no ka ba utpu kholo no dong wa kia ne pa lo soche or fever no tira no but if she does no ba sa ka awe mimma we no pomune me matane no she must remain and married no awani pekiteno mala takaba ulotte no remain ulotte la remarry sidane no and marry akaba me la awe me pwala at the protha ba no and marriage ne awe the married ba or else be better no reconcile no to her husband no reconcilies ne tera maba mahuma polokita awete kiane pekiten ma amada awane me tabawo phodiba no me usosi la ta lu de awane pomu amada awane bama bago phodiloki awete sa daga ne lo no away no pain tera a husband must not divorce his wife no pani do tera do awane tera pekiten ma taba hili lo kwa ba no bali hili lo kwa le amaba no his wife is an amama no taba hili lo kwa le amaba to the rest I say this no away ne me ta le no ta gi ta ka ba la yete ta we lo I not the Lord no yet me ka saba no tera no I not the Lord yet me ka saba if any brother has a wife who is not a believer no pekitena pwataka gala ame odo amma tamele pala sukena kitaba ne no she is willing to live with him no aware pa me pa thala ka pekitena mala ka okhu do o ta pakitene dira no he must not divorce her no aware kaba aware taba no pekitena mala hili lo kwala pamu we ne ba taba khara awe me kwatir phala adbut ko bat ko yati ta wa bas no atasuta na tedi to basana kene awe taba hili lo phala pamu we ne ba no ero tebra no metano ko ta and if a woman has husband no do pamu se ko din no pamu ni me odo awa dira no awa who is not a believer no awa me pwala at sutanara ba no atanara ba no believer and he is willing to live with her no awa me pa tha le awa ko ohu ta do awe ni no pagitena mala awe ni no she must not divorce him no awe pamu ni taba no pagitena ma hili lo phwa over no tabali hili lo phwa osiko ba tena no for that unbelieving husband has been sanctified no towards his wife no pagitena ma unbelieving no unbelieving aware tena no aware ta sutanara ba no pagitena ma la no for the unbelieving husband and for kwala at sutanara ba ko no Pokwala at the sutana taba tirpa one tera pain no ben no sanctify no masosi pasosi makasoroda no when it did a physical no throw his wife no I want to get out tasoshi no masosi atala ama no amaba masosi atham no and unbelieving why has been no pagitema sanctified through her believing husband dine tulo no awani pakala wasiko no awasiko ne awami teme pwala as anata wasiko ne awane ba masoshi atha le ama ago no ama ne le awa ago no ero tebe dine no otherwise your children will be unclean no metama dine bani no apoti de phani te so ba no letane khoda no bama ka so da dine bas as is they are holy no pasana kine awati de phane kera pasoshi ma no they are holy awati de phane pasoshi no pain no tera bas if the unbeliever leave no picture ma awani me pwala te sutana wati de phane me ha thak kwin no let him do so no aware more aware picture ma more akamara we no let him do so no more akamara wa ta we no a believing man or woman is not bound in such secure system no God have called us to live in peace no later no kuda ra pala sukenakida no pagitana pokwa menmera pomu ni no pagitana malo bound but thing yellow pay ni bounce it down pa assure do assure no because ma ta bapa ta assure no because ma incest pay ne pala kutari no pay na ta ka ko le pay no awa ko o era di the so le ta ku ta ko peace no ta ku da ko how do you know no ta nakathinya or nakama nakathinya or dilemma no dira no white whether you will save your husband or how do you know husband whether you will save your wife no awai nakathinya dile no awai nakama pu ple ama akama pu ple ama dile do nakathinya dile do akama pu ple awa no nevertheless no letane khudara each one should no pagtema remain no pagtema letane khudara takaba the thinya or no takaba the thinya or no retains no takaba thinya retain letane khudara the plate in the light that the Lord no assigned to him and to which God has called him no letane ngaba the thinya or lo bakhala no pay no le atamupu no le talota umu alo aklepu no awene kasaywa no ta pagitera mala no tulu o le awati de pa no le kasaywa which God no has called him kasa mata daga le kako wati le no this is a rule I laid down in all the church no awene meta le no tatu le japalo le no pagitera matroke le kasipu no troke le kasipu was a man already no suspicious when he was college now awene pakanyo pokwara kala awe me kutrita wido awene tawako no he should not be can no pagina answer Christian no pagitera mana paragane ta takroko ora awe me pala atakru kariwa tatiba no mako jane no he's no aware takra ma he should not be no excuses ilan aware the curiosity of pala kutariba no now pain is accusation is nothing no when it mitala takutrisi tirpane timitana rima and accusation is nothing no tatakru tari tirpasi ko timitana rima no keeping God's command is wise called no pagiterma awani nanahi ka perka bakala kasayua atamalo ne awene metala tagiro dwa tiro each one should remain in the no situation no pagitena mala pa kanyo taga ne no takaba de napper no remain pagitena mala no takaba a lot there no takaba a lot there lo bakala no away ne no ta hu ta ke ti pa ta uta wa puni no situation which he was in when God called us no when in which no when a pagitena mala la kasayua no when ta ko phele no pagitena mala no la ta mu pu no where you are slave once you are college no pagitena ke kevra ku pa no phele no takakona no don't let it trouble you no away ni tatir kero takota kele no worry no others if you can gain your freedom no victim other no tanaki ro no name panatala tatable puni do so no away lesiko no do so masiko so he who was the slave when he was called by the Lord is the Lord no the Lord's freedom no pagiter mala matata kala away ne metala akeku le pagiter makasaya ko o no we me kasaywa here tata blini no pagiter mala similarly away ne me tala pagiter mala yupu no pagiter mala krowe bawe he who was a free man when he was called in Christ's lake no pakanyo de pala takola no tatabli le cre no get akuma no you were brought as the bride no pride do not be cancelled of man နော်အဝဲနေမိတာလာတာဟက်ဆောနာလာဘကတဲ့မလာတာလူတာပွေနော်အဝဲနဲ့တကေတော့ဘာကညောလာဘကတဲ့မလာတာခုတာပွားပါနော် brother each man နော်အဝဲနေတော့ဘွဲတဲ့ဖတ်တကတော့တကမနော်အဲ့တော့တေဗလာ as responsible to cause နော်အဝဲနေမိတာလာပဟိနေမူဒါလာစုကစားရအောင်လား so remain in the situation God call him to နော်အဝဲနေပကရလနော်ပကရလ remain စီတာလေပကတဲ့မှာလာနော်ဥလော့တေနော်ပကရလပါလော့တေဝရနော်ပကတဲ့မှာတကတော့တကနော်လက်တနခုတာတော့ပကရသိညာလဖိနော်တကတော့တကအတခုတခဲ့တဲ့တဖလက်ကဆာရကောအောစုနေနော် now about vengeance တလဖိနေဘခါလပမှုကနတဲ့တဖပမှုကနတဲ့တဖ I have no command from the Lord နော်ရတူတော့နော်တာမာလိုလက်ကဆာရပါနော်ကဆာဝါ but I give a judgment as one who by the Lord's mercy is trustworthy နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလဖိနေရဟေta signor la pwa la pa nyo te pha la ka sa ywa tu ko nyo sa ka nyo da do pa kro da la pa te na ma la na o si awen ni mo no when ni pa la pa ka pa mu ka no te pha ni pa kro pa na o si because of the present crisis no pa te na ma la awen ni pa si nya la no present crisis no when a crisis is done no sector pay ta le lu phado katu ko no phane pamu ko no tir phane no I think that it is good for you and remains as you are no when it ta palote weda ta ngabate o le ta khile ta kre palote o away le no are you married no name pagtena mala prosa no name ke pala older mother one no do not seek a divorce no pagtena mala nataba no panatala nake mali lo phwari mo no eteba are youth and married no name me pwala at the prosa ba lu ni no pagtena mala the prosa ba ne do not look for a wife you know nataba lo kwa ta su pagtena mala nataba lo hi khu kwa namari no nama khu kwa namari ne me o phosa khwa lu de nama lo khu kwa namari maအဲ့တော့ devati နေနော်လက်တလည်းခေါ်ရသိညာကြပါနော် but if you do marriage နော်မဘာသာကင်းမေပွာလာmarriage မနော် brother နဲ့ brother နော် brother နေ you have not sinning နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းတိုးတော့တတ်တယ်ပါနော်နမေပွာလာ brother နေနော်ပကတဲ့ marriage ပမ်ဒမူဝါနေမနော်အဝတ်တမေလေတတ်တယ်ပါတိုးတော့တတ်တယ်ပါ and if a virgin marries နော်if a virgin marry me pa mu kano awa me marry mara me brother sikone no me he was sikone she has not sin no sin pagitena ma awa te oro tate ba sikone but those who marries with faith marry trouble in this life no life letano ko ta ro pa kanyo te pha la brother te pha ne awa te ba he awa te he qua seme ra la ta army apu ma no ba qua seme ba he si qua seme ra la ta ko ta ke army apu le atamu pu and I want to spare you this no ye edolo de tinya no hit tu or the no de tinya tu mo no edo no spell no let ta ko ta la what I mean no ta lo ye ten mo ni to me le edo no brother now double at the part is that the time is short now when it does sector put up pull on data now from now on those who has wife should live as if they has none now pagiter mana now sector ini pakanyote pa tir phala odo money no aware aka umuwera no he live as if they has none now talo audo no ako umuwedi ne lo those who more no palo ata utir phani no as if they did not no awati tir phani tat udo tatin ni phama those who are happy no paganyo tir phala audo tatuka ne as if they were not no awati tat udo ta normi ba no those who buy something no paganyo a puira tata mimi as if no if it were not there to keep no awate te ba apuira de mi ba sa nge awate te para la awate te hi ka pa ka ba no those who use the thing of the world no pa ka nyo la atuta ta te mi lo hako clan ni mo no ai de hako clan ni as if not no in cross and then no pa ka te ma la no awate te hi ka pa atu sa khelo ba no te hi aware he ka never aware he ka patu pata te power no for this word in its presence no from its passion away no pakitan ma ba ka lo haku clear ta te phai ni de na no sector k ni aware ka lo mu lo ma ke khela ke sin no pass away no I would like you to be free from concern no ye e dollar no na ka o lo ta ta ble le ta se concern no bakha no bakha ta ti phai ne ko lo ta ta bli mo no ni ta no ko ta lo no ero devra ne and Mary's man is concerned about the Lord's affairs how he can please the Lord and Mary said ne pa ka nyo lo to o lo ama ba no pa ki ta ma apho ma ba pa ki ta ma ne ama ba ne mo no awe mi pa le to pro ta ba ti pha ne aware pakitete mala no paine at bakha ba do bakha takuta ko to ulo o la pakitete mala akama ka sa yo atama ba no aware ne no pe ne no and feel ne no pakitete mala and feel ne no la apu no la apu agi ta la no ara ta la asa no asa apu ma no pakitete ma din ne how he can please the Lord now when it was thinyawla awakama kasaywa atama no but a Mary's man is the concern about the affairs of the world no how he can please his wife no when it no paganyo tir phala odo amati tir phala no aweka ba kwa thwe amati le ni awe thinya sikolo no awe ni pakre thinya no and his interest dividers na aware mitala aware pathu patha do aware pagitana mala no aware pathu patha do divided la pagitana mala aba no phata atinya wesikolo no aware ni pe napper we din mo no pa napper we din lo no and a married woman a virgin is concerned about the Lord and fear hers and is to be devoted to the Lord and both body and spirit now pagitana mal awani wa a married woman or pamukono tir phani no pa tinya le pay no aware devoted no pagitana mal no hit to pato no aware pato ata tiwe no ta pato pat loda te lo pa khidglu ne pa khiglu ne ta umu oge no ko tete ma din no la sa apu no ata not cool sa apu no but a married woman are concerned about the affair this was how she can please the husband no let us go to pay ni dera la ka to la not to restrict you but that you may live in the right may will no right way in the and vital devotion to the Lord no and vital devotion to the Lord awani tablo jwa ba jwa no awati ne takuta wa do ne awati ora tabuta ba kasayo no if anyone thinks no he is ashamed no pagitana mala improperly no pagitana ma paragala akasibri phoda no pagitana ma atakuta ge pula properly no titi baba toward the virgin no he is engaged to no pagitana ma engaged sidane metala de basaka na atalata no ta bus where tolu pagkita din ito no sikoro no and if he's getting alone in the years and he feelings out to marry no aware me pada da la krogila aware ka proda agone no krogila aware ka proda agone he should do as he went no aware kroma wala la ta la abathane no aware kroma wala ne no he is not sinning aware mita la kerota de barme ba no they should get married now aware the rani krowda la proda lo no but the man who has settled the no matter is his own mind no when it matter his own mind no tagi mo pala ano ka sala we ata sukumo no ata own mind no then who under no compulsion no pagdal ma ko ta ola ta to ta ku ya pala but the control over his own will no ano ka sala we control da ano ka sata no le atabata pakula no and who has made up his mind not to marry the virgin the no pagdal his man also does the right thing no pagdal ma la pamukono te phala awe mit protha ba no pakwa pa lubo te phala at protha wa sikone no awe ni mitala awe mara la ta batmi le anoka sala we no ta batmi ni lo so then he who marries the virgin does right no pala pagdal ma aprotha do pamukono sikone awe mitala ba but he who does not marry her does even better no pagnya te phala at protha one mita khi do ni kilo tera no even better no a woman is bound to her husband alone no as long as he live no away tera la mita la bound no pagnya te phala aware no pagnya ma la pa sha do awani no pagnya ma pa ta sha do awani kera mita la aware ko umuwele atho no but if her husband died, our mithini, she is free to marry another, anyone she wish. Now, because our Pamurgala, a mithini, aware wish they were not, aware pathala, aware caprot, and a thought blog dog, this call, love with the monetary one, you know. Tawala abatha, a prota thino, aware care, a free man, our thili huta, aware prota thino, no. But she must belong to the Lord, no. Pasa kene aware kaba kaba twedo kasayo no in my judgment she is happier no when it tala ye ti kwa suda la ye kwada ne when it mitala aware ko ta tikata ku if she stay as she is no and I think that I too have the spirits of God no when ye sukumo no ye kasata ye uno no pakitena mala spirits na pagkita mata to me like a sayon lo let an akuta pakapatu patala ta pro now we should think about the marriage about this thing okay your husband die you can marry again okay once you marry you can't divorce now remember no na me pro ta libro in the ba pagkita no na the ba hili lo pa ba manu ko le no tera la me pro ta pala and believe no and believe siko no Paula, no, once you marry with the unbelief husband and believe wife, okay, you cannot divorce. Okay, this means you cannot divorce because you don't have sin. This is not sin. Okay, you should be think about it. Okay, but we should remain, we should remain then. Okay, who, okay, take responsible, no. Pagkatera mana awan ni mana ada terpala ke hida mana awan ni pagkapa tu pata no pagnya terpala pay ni no awan me all loss of dividers na his wife husband no ame all of pala amara awasi kone awan ni taba ba mahuma pukio no taba mahuma pukio no leta no kuta ra krapa tu pata le tati pai le betamu pun no we su ke glita ra su pu ko gade baka le ta prosa agi klu you should know about the marriage about and the people in the world okay once you want to marry, you can marry. Okay, you don't want to marry, that's fine. This is better than married people because you cannot control yourself. You can marry. Okay, once your husband die, okay, you cannot control yourself. You can marry. Okay, you have wife, you have husband. Okay, you cannot divorce. Okay, you should be live together. Okay, this is promised sent by God. No. Let us go to Pakropa, Supasa, let I tackle kind of, but a balo mahili of Havano, Pagaban Leda, Baba Mala Agitavano. Pasala get you tin it out of me in the Buddha Tadi La Pala say should do it. Jesus talk about that divorce is okay, only just your wise now makes you think about it now honesty now and honor no porque mala awe te yo pa ke na ba no awe mara te kred ba ba ti fa ni awe ni ne hi lo pa ti lo no ta ka ni ka sai su de we da din no ba sa awe ni pa kra pa tu pa ta la ne ba yo ta ta bli le ta mu no you should be given free. Okay, your wise no make it such a thing in front of you, you can give in the divorce people because okay, this is an honor. No, this means an honor. This is not good thing. You live in with your wife. Okay. Thank you so much to watching. No, to quarter let target the pie who are received no, no. God bless you. God bless your families. Take care. Okay, stay together. Don't divorce. No, living the peaceful. No, let them go no mà tu cô là tipu khapu nó cô là ke cô là taku tapu đó nên từ bao lâu hi lilo pha để cả gì nó nên ta đâu có đó mà cái sai ở mấy cái đó là từ trong mình bộ con này kỹ nó God stay with you forever and ever. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.